Alright guys, welcome back. Today's video might be really terrible. My face is all wet, I'm sorry. Anyways, I got a few pictures at lunchtime and then I didn't get anything after work. So anyways, I hope that you guys enjoy this. It's going to be really short. I was doing a lot of fire alarm wire again. I'll try to draw a picture on the route that I did for the one set of wires on the picture that I did take, and then also did a little pipe run down the wall, which I didn't get a picture of. And then I did get a picture of the I was working on a couple of these I don't even know what they're called. It's basically like a sprinkler pipe, and it has some type of wires for fire alarm. So basically I did a couple of those, which was one of the ones, the pipe going down the wall was one of these going into these boxes that I had to set on the sprinkler thing, and you'll see what I mean in a second. But this is the picture of the other one, basically just a little 3'90" coming out of it, stepping out the wall, and then ran the wire in with the bushing on it. And then yeah, so just running fire alarm wire today, doing some sleeves and stuff like that through the sheetrock downstairs in the basement. And it was pretty fast day. Also did some pulled some more wire, finished up the fire alarm I think on the first floor, like just going from fire alarm box to fire alarm box. But didn't get any pictures of those, but basically just like what I did yesterday in the beginning of yesterday's video, just attaching the wire to the strings and then just pulling between the boxes and stuff like that. So I did 9 hours today, and it went pretty fast except like the last hour. Basically I thought we were leaving at 2, and then someone said 3, and then they said 2, and then we actually left at 3. So just kind of back and forth, just trying to finish the day out. But it was good, and it's been great. I've been inside the building, staying nice and warm for the most part. So been really blessed, and I hope you guys enjoyed these short little pictures. All right, guys. Alright guys, thanks for making it to the end of the video. I appreciate that. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate that. It'd help me out a lot. And yeah, check out the description for social medias on Instagram and all that good stuff. And only if you want to, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos. I might do a live stream on the way while I drive, I'm not sure. Anyways, I will see you guys shortly, and God bless. Have an awesome weekend. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys back here on Monday at the latest. Peace out.